Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Humans cannot produce vitamin C internally and must obtain it through their diet or supplements. This water-soluble vitamin is widely celebrated for its powerful antioxidant properties, which help combat free radicals and protect the body from oxidative stress. In this video, we will explore the numerous health benefits of vitamin C on the body and understand why it is an indispensable nutrient for maintaining optimal health. But before that, if this is the first time you see our videos, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive a new update on our channel. 1. Immune system support. One of the most well-known health benefits of vitamin C is its role in supporting the immune system. It aids in the production and function of white blood cells, such as lymphocytes and phagocytes, which are vital for fighting off infections and illnesses. Additionally, vitamin C helps enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms by promoting the synthesis of antibodies and strengthening the skin's protective barriers. 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that safeguards the body against free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. By neutralizing these harmful free radicals, vitamin C helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Furthermore, this antioxidant activity helps slow down the aging process and keeps the skin looking youthful and radiant. 3. Collagen formation. Collagen is a structural protein responsible for maintaining the integrity of skin, bones, cartilage, and connective tissues. Vitamin C is a crucial cofactor in the synthesis of collagen, and its presence is essential for ensuring proper wound healing, healthy skin, and strong bones. Regular intake of vitamin C can improve skin elasticity, prevent wrinkles, and promote tissue repair. 4. Cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that vitamin C may contribute to heart health by reducing several risk factors associated with cardiovascular diseases. It helps lower blood pressure, improve blood vessel function, and reduce inflammation. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of vitamin C protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation, which is a significant factor in the development of atherosclerosis and coronary artery disease. 5. Boosts iron absorption. Vitamin C enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based sources. Iron is essential for the production of red blood cells and oxygen transport throughout the body. By increasing iron absorption, vitamin C helps prevent iron deficiency anemia and promotes healthy energy levels. 6. Cognitive function. Emerging research suggests that vitamin C might play a role in supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. Its antioxidant properties and ability to combat inflammation in the brain may help protect neurons and maintain cognitive health as we age. 7. Stress reduction. During periods of stress, the body's demand for vitamin C increases. This is because vitamin C is involved in the production of cortisol, a hormone released during stress. Adequate vitamin C levels help modulate cortisol secretion and reduce the negative effects of stress on the body. 8. Eye health. Vitamin C is associated with a reduced risk of developing cataracts, a common age-related eye condition. As an antioxidant, it helps protect the eye's lens from oxidative damage caused by ultraviolet light and other environmental factors. At the end, the health benefits of vitamin C are extensive and essential to maintaining optimal health and wellness. From its role in supporting the immune system and collagen formation to its powerful antioxidant properties and effect on cardiovascular health, this powerful nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining our health and vitality. Ensure that you are eating a diet rich in vitamin C through fresh fruits and vegetables, or consider supplementation if needed. However, always consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation routine. If you liked our content, or its content was useful to you, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button to join our small family. We also remind you that you can suggest topics that you would like us to discuss in our upcoming videos. And until then, stay healthy. Goodbye.